Alright guys, this is a new project car. 68 Mustang. She's a little rough, but good platform. Little fancy. She needs a little love, but it's not too bad. Decent wheels. Yeah, there she is. Alright, today I came in, did some work on the Mustang. Took the rat's nest of a wiring job this car had. Took out all the unnecessary wiring that it had, cleaned it up. Also cleaned out the interior. Here you go. This car's 68. It's an original candy apple red. This was an inline 6 automatic, and they swapped in a V8 at 302. And I think it is a 3-speed transmission. The floors aren't bad. Little surface rust on this side, and on the front one there is a little hole, but nothing bad. They're still pretty solid. No rust on the firewall. Things pretty good. Underneath the dash. Oh, I forgot to take this one out. Passenger driver's side. See, it's all really clean. The rear seat area, no rust. I think I got pretty lucky getting this car. Floors are pretty perfect. Let's get that out. Ooh, it's a little bit more ugly. Oh, that doesn't sound good. Alright. A bunch of rocks. This floor might be rusted through. I gotta check. dash is pretty clean. Door jambs are good shape, no rust. They're a little rough, but they'll clean up. Oh, this is one of the ugly sides too. I need to clean this whole thing off, see how it is. Trunk is in good shape, no rust holes anywhere. That's the quarter panel. Might have to replace this lower side along with the tail light piece. That one has rusted through the actual tail lights. You can't see it, but it's pretty rusted. I'll be getting new doors, so this one's rusty. Yeah, there she is.